In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Whop account. To get started, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device and head over to the Whop website. You can do this by typing the address into the search bar at the top of your browser and pressing enter. This will take you to the main Whop home dashboard, which is the central place where you'll access your memberships, products, or tools once you're signed in. On the top right corner of the home page, you'll see an option that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the login page where you can choose how you want to access your account. On the login page, you'll first see a field where you can enter your email address. Click into the email box and carefully type the email that you used when you created your Whop account. Double check for typos, especially if your browser hasn't saved it before. Once you've entered your email, you can click the continue button to move forward with the standard email login process. If you prefer, Whop also lets you sign in using an existing account from other services. On the same screen, you'll see options to continue with Google, Apple, or Discord. These are useful if you originally created your Whop account through one of those platforms, or if you just want a faster, password-free login. In this example, I'm going to sign in with Google, so I'll click the Continue with Google button. When you do that, a Google window will appear showing a list of Google accounts that are currently available on your device. If you don't see the right one, you can also choose to use a different account and sign in with those details. Now, click on the Google account that is associated with your Whop profile. It's important that you select the same account you used when you first connected to Whop. Otherwise, you might end up creating a new profile instead of accessing your existing one. After you select the correct Google account, Google will handle the authentication in the background. In most cases, you'll be redirected automatically back to Whop and your dashboard will load. At this point, you are successfully logged in and can start managing your memberships, checking purchase